Okay, so this is a demo of the Destination Decisions website, a site that I developed after having taken a Udacity course on website development. And what I'd like to show you here um, is the system. This is hosted on the Google App Engine, and the backend is written completely in Python. The front end is HTML with quite a bit of JavaScript. It uses the Jinja, which comes with a Google App Engine. So there's a lot of things built in. It's Google App Engine provides zero maintenance system administration. Pretty neat. And you don't have to pay for it unless you actually get users. So the idea here is that given an area on the map, a certain region, within that region, what is the best place for you to live given your personality type? So I've set this map here kind of in the middle of New Jersey, and it happens to be in Cranford, New Jersey, within a 35-mile radius. And I've pre-canned some sort of personality types here. And I have an algorithm that, given what, given this kind of personality that I've described, and given the demographics, the zip code demographics, what is the zip code that is most appropriate for you? So let's say I have the idea of, let's say, suburban dreams, kind of vague, but a lot of people like to move out into the suburbs. And given these kind of people, the criteria are going to be things like family life, schools, number of people married versus single, et cetera, number of children. Um, and they're probably going to be a little less crowded, more spacious than an urban living environment. But in any case, given this region here, these are some of the towns that I came up with. Now, Essex Fells, Mountain Lakes, etc. Those seem like pretty nice suburban places. Other personality types, let's say I'm a quote urbane hipster. Well, that's going to get me here. Look at Hoboken and Lower Manhattan, Morningside Heights, etc. So that seems pretty reasonable. Those look like good people or good places for your urbane hipster. Now, you may be interested in living in kind of historic old houses and so forth. Well, that would be another set of criteria here. I don't know. I don't know. That probably has to do with. I think this algorithm looks at the age of the house and age of the houses and so forth, and certainly those look like nice places. Then let's say you can also, as I said before, you can move this around to a somewhat different area. Let's say you want to move this this circle up to up here. Kind of, I don't know where are we here. We're on the Bronx River Road within 35 miles, and you get a somewhat similar, but not exactly the same list. You can also change the radius of the circle. So let's say I want a much tighter radius here, which is this came to 15 miles. But if I want a specific radius, I can. I want to be within 12 miles of Yonkers, and I'm this old host type of persona. These are places where I might live. If I'm high status, which is going to look at expensive houses and so forth. Alpine, New Jersey, that's pretty fancy there, so that makes sense. So we can also move this anywhere in the country. We can go out towards Pennsylvania here, and we get some other places here. We can also just directly type in the place we want to go. So let's say we really want to move out west. We can go out here. And well, from what I know of that area, these are pretty nice places. I can click on Atherton and I get a, whoops, what did I do here? Okay, so I get to Atherton. So yeah, basically the idea is I can get more information by clicking on one of these things. So here I am in Atherton. Now this site has some more information from the web, things like a little Wikipedia, some photographs from Flickr of the area, just in case there's schools you might be interested in, event places, etc. You can click through on this. Some attractions from Wikipedia that you can click through. Well, you know, whatever, you kind of get the idea there. And real estate, it looks indeed pretty fancy digs. So that is Destination Decisions. Once again, hosted on the Google App Engine, and please feel free to try it out, play with it. That's destinationdecisions.com. Enjoy.